At Washington's National Institutes of Health, America's top virus control official, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says the coronavirus is spreading and America may need to take drastic steps.
We're dealing with clearly an emerging infectious disease that has now reached outbreak proportions and likely pandemic proportions.
It spreads from contact, human contact.
Person to person, generally droplets, respiratory droplets. People sneeze and cough into their hands. They shake hands with somebody. They open up a doorknob. Somebody else comes 5 minutes later.
What should the public know?
You should be careful washing your hands as often as you possibly can. Stay out of crowded places where people are coughing and sneezing.
What about sporting events? What about concerts?
See, we're not ready for it right now, but we need to be at least thinking about the possibility if we get a major outbreak of this coronavirus in this country. That would mean perhaps closing schools temporarily, getting people to do more teleworking, canceling events where there is a lot of crowds in confined places, canceling unnecessary travel so that you're not on an airplane for 5 hours with a bunch of people who might be infected. That's what's called mitigation and social distancing.
How do we know, or how will you and other experts know when that point has come?
When that point will come when you see multiple generations of transmission in a particular community where you don't know where the ultimate source is.
That would be a huge step. It would have enormous economic, societal, psychological implications.
It would, but it would be temporary, but it would be necessary.
And that would involve closing down cities?
No, I don't think you're going to
go. Like what China's done? It's a big outbreak in Manhattan. Will you seal the bridges?
I doubt very seriously if we ever would come to that or could come to that in the United States.
Who makes that call?
The local health authorities. It's not a federal call. They often may come to federal authorities like the CDC and ask advice, but the decision is local.
For Today, Richard Engel, NBC News.